Hi there YouTubers, I'm just going to do a quick review on a product that I bought about a year ago. It's, I guess it would be a 2016 or a 2017 Suzuki 2.5. And the reason I went with Suzuki here was mainly because, you know, the price was pretty similar to other products like Yamaha or Honda, Mercury. But the big advantage was a 6-year warranty that I got. And it's also the lightest. You know, it makes a big difference when you're just carrying it around. Even a few pounds, the Mercury might be 5-6 pounds heavier, but that makes quite a difference when, you know, say this is about, I think, 35 pounds, and the Mercury is maybe 40 or more pounds. You know, to me that's a huge difference. So it's the weight, it's the warranty. Warranty, I think, on the Mercuries and Yamahas were only maybe 1 year. Maybe more if you get an extended warranty, but 6 years on the Suzuki is just, you know, there's no comparison. And so it's a 4-stroke, it's a 2.5 horsepower. I bought it to replace an older Evinrude that I've got. Just going to show you a picture of that now. Here it is here. It's a maybe an early 90s Evinrude 2.3. It's a 2-stroke. Advantage of the Evinrude here was just a few pounds lighter. That's the main reason I like the Evinrude a little bit, is just the weight. But then there's some disadvantages, of course, with the Evinrude. Mixing the gas is a hassle. It doesn't start as reliably since it's an older motor. And so I'm just going to quickly go over some of the features here. You got the twist grip. That's one of the reasons I like Suzuki better than the older Evinrude. You know, on the Evinrude you just had the, I'm going to show you, this is the speed control right here, choke is here. It's just much more convenient to have it on the grip. And similar though, you've got to release this at the top when you start, you know, when you're closing it up, you've got to close it, but when you want to start it, you open the air, let the air in at the top. Similarly, you've got the on-off switch here. And of course the big advantage here of the Suzuki versus the Evinrude is the neutral. The older Evinrude, it just has the 1 gear forward, whereas having the neutral, it can be a huge advantage, like when you're coming into a dock or something. Having the neutral is a huge advantage. And of course you can adjust the tightness of the actual, you know, the resistance on this grip as well with this knob here, which is something that's interesting. So I'm going to give it a start here. I'm going to do a speed test a little later on when I get these things out in the water for you. And we're going to do a comparison on the speed of the two different motors. But came with a couple manuals. Suzuki 2.5. A few tools at the back here. Okay, so I'm just going to put the camera down. We're going to start it up. Okay, I got the choke on. This is up. It's in the on position. Quite a bit there at the beginning, and so it was smoking a lot. I just turned the choke off. Obviously all the smoke has disappeared. So it gives you a view there of the running motor. Have it in neutral right now. I'll just switch it into forward just to give you a view here. So there it is, it's the Suzuki 2.5. The actual manual here was published 2016. So I'm not really sure if this was the I think it's 2017 here because you know, I got the actual 2017 manual. So if you just want, I can give you a few of the stats on the product right here. The weight, they're claiming it's 13.5 kgs. So I mean, fuel capacity, that might be interesting. So I believe it's a 1 liter fuel capacity. Yeah, that's in liters. Yeah, it says 1 liter fuel capacity. And you know, it's just a 1 cylinder. And yeah, I don't think there's much else to say about this motor, but if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. Of course, I'm going to do a speed test on it shortly. And any comments, just let me know. Thanks very much.